Looking for the best cooling racks? In this video we look at some of the top 3 cooling racks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Ultra Cuisine Wire Cooling and Baking Rack. Pros: the 6 feet stand 1 inch tall, for quick cooling. Oven safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, it doubles as a roasting rack, and the stainless steel construction prevents rust. Cons: although it's dishwasher safe, food can get stuck in the tight grid, and sponges may snag on the wire edges. Bottom line: a sturdy rack with a tight grid and tall feet, so food cools quickly and small items don't slip through the grate. At number 2. Bellemain Cooling Rack. Pros: the 10-gauge iron bars are exceptionally thick and sturdy and can support heavy cakes. The finish is non-stick and dishwasher safe. Cons: some owners have reported rusting after washing. The coating makes the rack oven safe only up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Bottom line: a high-quality rack with a tight grid for cooling small baked goods quickly. At number 1. Kitchenatics Cooling and Roasting Rack. Pros: it's 6 feet stand 1 inch high for better air circulation and faster cooling. The rack is dishwasher safe, with a stainless steel construction that inhibits rust. Oven safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons: the 3/8 of an inch squares of the grid can sometimes trap small food particles and be tough to clean. Bottom line: with unusually tall feet and a tight grid, this stainless steel rack cools baked goods quickly and at a great price. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.